Pixel 9 Pro XL Review, Google's AI-packed superphone to rival the best. Top-class camera, huge screen, long battery life, ADME photo trick and advanced Gemini Live are impressive. Google's new superphone goes all out on battery, camera, and smarts. Leading a new line of Android devices that can run the company's Gemini AI system with a next-generation conversational voice assistant that is a huge leap forward. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is the biggest normal phone Google makes, costing from £1,099, €1,199, $1,099 1 Australian dollar. $849, and is joined for the first time this year by a smaller 9 Pro model with the same specs and camera costing £999. The XL is therefore for people who want a huge screen and big battery. The design of the phone is even more brutish and interesting than last year's Pixels. The camera bar on the back now stands fully proud, reminiscent of Google's Nest doorbells in shape. The sides of the aluminium body have been flattened off, resembling Apple's iPhone 14 Pro Max, too. The huge and super bright 6.8 inches screen rivals the very best from Samsung and others, coming into its own when watching video or using it outdoors in direct sunlight. Inside is Google's latest Tensor G4 chip, which is up to 20% faster for browsing and 17% faster when launching apps, feeling a bit snappier in day-to-day usage than predecessors. The XL handles games and apps just fine, but it is not up to par with rivals from Qualcomm and Apple on raw processing performance in benchmark tests. Instead, Google designed the chip with the help of its DeepMind subsidiary to increase efficiency and AI processing power, allowing it to run the company's Gemini Nano system and other models significantly faster. The result is noticeably longer battery life than its predecessors. The 9 Pro XL lasts up to 52 hours with more than 7 hours of actively using the screen on a mixture of 5G and Wi-Fi. That is a solid 2 days between charges and rivals some of the longest-lasting phones available. Specifications: Screen, 6.8 inches 120Hz QHD plus OLED. Processor, Google Tensor G4. RAM, 16 GB of RAM. Storage, 128, 256, 512 GB or 1 TB. Operating system, Android 14. Camera, 50MP plus 48MP ultra-wide plus 48MP 5x telephoto, 42MP selfie. Connectivity, 5G, eSIM, Wi-Fi 7, UWB, NFC, Bluetooth 5.3 and GNSS. Water resistance, IP68. Dimensions, 162.8 by 76.6 by 8.5 mm. Weight, 221 g. Next-gen AI features. The Pixel ships with the same Android 14 as previous models and 7 years of software support, making it one of the longest-lasting phones on the market. The big new additions are all AI-related. The 9 Pro XL is one of the first phones to run Google's latest Gemini Nano AI models on the device, which has enabled a series of new features injecting AI into all sorts of places, from the keyboard to the weather app. One of the most interesting is the new Screenshots app to collect your screen caps and make them searchable. So you can ask it for a ticket reference for a concert you saved and it will give you a summary and show you the right page. Sometimes its summary isn't 100% accurate, but it's close enough to show you the right screenshot for a quick glance. The Pixel Studio app quickly generates images in a range of styles via text prompts, allowing you to edit them, insert objects and turn portions of the image into stickers. It is quite fun but needs an internet connection to work. It won't yet generate images of people or other blocked terms, and struggles with text on images. Magic Editor in Google Photos has a few upgrades, too, including the ability to automatically reframe an image by cropping or expanding the canvas using generative AI.
The Reimagine feature goes one step further and can fully
recast a photo using a text prompt, such as making it look like a cityscape is sunken underwater. There are safeguards on what you can insert into images, but as with all things they can be circumvented. How far you go with it is up to you.